Okay, all repaired now. Exhaust nuts all repaired. I got the actual, so you can see there. New gaskets, 12 new exhaust nuts here. Really hard to do. Even the guy that came in and done the repair was struggling to do it just because it's really hard. Most of them broken. And it's got to be done by somebody who knows what they're doing, because if they don't, they can damage the actual port themselves and it gets worse and worse, and then damage everything else. Just can't rush it. It's got to be done properly. So that's all ready to go. Now the exhaust is ready to go now. So you can see here, I had to cut the top part of the actual port. One there and one here as well. That's all done. So we're going to put it on the car now and see how it fits. Put the exhaust on. Nice and neat. See? Nice and neat. So as you can see, we had to modify a lot of stuff. Took a long time to do, but now it's done properly. As you can see, it's all done. So now the exhaust sits properly there. It's not really hitting. I'm gonna make sure it's not hitting on the body. So if you look through there, there's a gap. There's a gap there. There's a gap there in the stud. And if you look closely, there's a gap there in the two studs there. You can just see the top, the tip. Alright, come to this side here. You can just see the top of that side there. Here, here, and that one there. Alright, now we're going to start the assembly. Once that's done, I can actually drill and modify this idle valve here to go in here. It's really hard to modify, but it's got to be done properly. Alright, now we're going to put the bolts on. And once we finish that, fuel lines go on and then pretty much in the car. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.